All right, we're going to take a look at the tabs, the Command Manager tabs. There are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I got 21 tabs open. Now granted, I am in the educational version, but I have all the tabs open. And for my beginning classes, just trying to look through here and find a given tool really is a headache, especially from a teaching standpoint. And in my entry-level class, am I using weldments? No. I mean, maybe someday, but not in my beginning level class. Structure systems, I've never used any of these tools. I am not direct editing per se. So I only keep a couple. I keep 4 or 5 handy, and it really just speeds up my students and my own searching. I don't have to search through so many tabs, and it's real easy to do. Just come up here to the Command Manager, right click and go to tabs. After you look through them once, you can figure out, well, I don't want sketched ink, maybe I don't want surfaces right now, or sheet metal. I'm going with like the 4 that we start with. Render tools will automatically happen when I go to Solidworks add-ins for Photo View 360. So I have went from a list of what, 21 to 4, and trying to find a given tool for the most part goes much smoother. Don't worry, you haven't lost that tab. I can go back, and if I'm going to start doing something with surfaces, I can turn this tab back on. Whoops, sorry, I undocked it. Good teaching point. If I want to dock it again, I can just grab this text line and I can move it. I am not a big proponent on putting these on the side of your screen, but you can. Anywhere you see these docking handles, I don't know a better term for it, you can move them. Personally, I don't like them on the side. I like them at the top, their original location. Maybe it's just because I'm used to it. But I can turn these tabs on and off as I need to, and honestly, just to speed up my workflow. That analysis preparation always comes back on, and I don't know why, even though I turned it off. If I come back to it later on, it will be there. But if I go to Photo View 360, my render tools automatically turn on. So I got to turn that off. Photo View 360 and it goes away. It's just one I notice. So modifying your tabs.